Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw healthy. First, let's focus on the foundation, fresh vegetables. Using a vibrant mix of cabbage, carrots, and other crunchy produce ensures a nutrient-dense base. Next, we'll tackle the dressing, which is often the culprit for unhealthy coleslaw. By making smart substitutions, you can significantly cut down on unwanted fats and sugars, transforming a classic side dish into a guilt-free delight. We'll explore simple swaps that maintain flavor while boosting nutritional value. For a truly healthy coleslaw, the vegetables are key. Start with a base of finely shredded green and red cabbage, providing a powerful punch of antioxidants and dietary fiber. Don't forget the vibrant orange of shredded carrots, rich in beta-carotene. To elevate the nutritional profile even further, consider adding broccoli slaw, which offers additional vitamins and a satisfying crunch. You can also experiment with thinly sliced bell peppers or jicama for unique textures and a broader spectrum of nutrients, making your coleslaw both delicious and incredibly good for you. The dressing is where many coleslaw recipes go astray, but it's also where we can make the biggest healthy impact. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, opt for plain Greek yogurt. It offers a creamy texture with significantly less fat and more protein. For a zesty kick, apple cider vinegar is an excellent choice, known for its potential digestive benefits. Sweeten your dressing naturally with just a teaspoon or two of honey or maple syrup, avoiding refined sugars. Finally, fresh herbs such as dill or parsley will add a burst of fresh flavor without extra calories. To ensure your healthy coleslaw is always at its best, here are a few final tips. Prepare your dressing separately and toss it with the vegetables just before serving to maintain maximum crunch. Allowing the coleslaw to chill for at least 30 minutes will help the flavors meld beautifully. For an extra boost of healthy fats and a delightful texture, sprinkle in a tablespoon or two of toasted slivered almonds or sunflower seeds. This versatile dish can be enjoyed as a refreshing side, or even as a vibrant topping for grilled chicken or fish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.